down, man. It's ADZ, definition of growth. From the freestyle, ain't none of this up in here, Say, it's AD, my rhymes I don't rehearse. Yellow Bones flirt when I see the Reggie Miller throwback shirt. And I jaywalk. Ooh, girl, you seen all them diamonds in his mouth when he talk? That's what they say. I blocked off MLK, slab so big I shut down the freeway. And I ain't borrowing, riding in my foreign. Ooh, look, Gucci, Pele, Fubu in my closet. It's AD, and I ride clean. Fire, wind and water, Captain Planet on my screen. Mug on me, I let the top up, came through your block beating. This little light of mine screwed and chopped up in my dick, so don't flex. Or I put some hot up in your chest, riding in the vet, and I'm catching eyed. It's the AD, nigga know what I'm talking about. It's damn fool, pick up the kid out the stead. Block has been bled, and I'ma still go fed. Or I hit the Lauren copy, and when I hop out, Yellow Bones they be jocking. Watching my chain, they like how I swing the wood grain. Shut down North Main with the bumper kid hang. It's AD, and I ain't no faker. Watching the Washington Wizards play the Wood Lakers. At courtside, I got some wood tickets. It's that AD, nigga, I swung through the thicket. Man, and I got drink in my kidneys. Walk in the mall and put them up by the business. Cause I bought the mall. It's the damn fool, and I'ma represent with the power wow. He up in the color change and click. It's the damn fool, nigga, in this game. I'm thick like codeine or syrup. Mine is the stir, finish shades like a nerd. And I'ma swing, I'ma hit the damn curb. I'ma go ahead and distribute birds. I'ma distribute plastic crack. It's that AD, in this game I can't come whack. I got to go and let them know, neon gon' glow. I'ma go ahead and pull up a foe. It's the AD, nigga, diamonds in my mouth. I'ma go and put it down for the north. Jaywalking, niggas stalking. I'm a three-wheel nigga with the jill. Man, I almost fell out, but I'ma fall back on. And yes, I do ride 22 inches of chrome through your home. That's what I do. It's the AD, and you know I keep it true. I could've been a Dallas Maverick, but they found weed all up in my jacket. They cut me. It's the AD, nigga, looking lovely. And when I walk in the club, be sipping on bubbly. I ain't even tripping, I got nothing to lose. And I come chill in Louisiana in the Baton Rouge. Keeping it wet, pouring up more wet in that damn Lafayette. It's AD, I'ma represent for your city. Come through floating, doing what 150 on some 20s. Money got plenty. I'ma go ahead and put the drink in my kidney. Let me get thrown, I'm running my mouth. I got so much shoes, people think a Foot Locker in my house. Sting like a waltz, I sting hard. I'ma switch to the CD deck and put in Paul Menard. Cause a nigga just wrecking. In this game, nigga, I'm still playing 2000 Wood Tekken. But it's part 2. I'ma wreck this mic, I'ma give you a clue. Cause I'm riding blue, I'm riding black. I don't know how to act. It's the AD, call me a Mac. Call me a Mac Daddy, like Daddy Kane. I'll take your main and then what, run a train. Run her through the wood click. I'ma go ahead and write a letter to Big Pick. Tell him how AD doing it in the wood boot. Got rocks up on my wrist and they on my tooth. Smelling like Jupiter Fahrenheit. I'ma mix the 4 and I'ma put it in a Sprite. I'm freestyling one more time off the head. I'ma go ahead and just make these boys go fed. I'ma make them feel me. It's the AD, nigga, Tyler's peeling. I'ma go ahead and just smile. I might go ahead and hit the what Tyler. I'ma go ahead and just flow. I'ma let these boys know AD can flow. Man, y'all watch out for that album, Big Ballers. It's called Ballin' Season, man. It's coming soon, man. We ain't playing with them. Big Ballers.